What will happen if you start eating 2 dates every day for a week? If you consume 2 dates on a daily basis for 1 week, observe the changes that occur in your skin. To be frank, when we think about healthy foods, dates are not typically the first thing that comes to mind. This is unfortunate, considering the numerous and indisputable health benefits that this fruit offers. What effect would eating dates every day have on your appearance? Can consuming dates truly alter your physical appearance, and if so, in what ways? 1. You'll have more energy. In today's world, with constant stress and mental work, it can be difficult to maintain high energy levels. We often find ourselves feeling fatigued by midday. However, if you want to stay productive throughout the day and into the evening, consider incorporating dates into your meals. This fruit is naturally high in sugars such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose, providing a necessary energy boost. According to a study published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition, chewing a few dates when feeling exhausted can immediately increase energy levels. You can use this handy trick whenever you feel particularly worn out. 2. Your digestive system will work more effectively. The digestive system plays a critical role in our overall health, appearance, and well-being. If you're experiencing digestive issues, consuming dates can quickly provide relief. Dates are an excellent source of soluble fiber, which helps regulate digestion and alleviate constipation. Health professionals recommend soaking a few dates in water overnight and having them as part of your breakfast to enhance their natural abilities and improve your digestive system. 3. Your cholesterol level will decrease. Despite their natural sweetness, dates are low in fat and completely cholesterol-free, making them an ideal dietary food. Consistent consumption of dates can balance your cholesterol levels, which in turn can aid in weight loss. However, high cholesterol not only affects your physique, but also increases your risk of developing heart disease or having a stroke. By consuming just 2 dates a day, you're not only taking care of your physical appearance but also protecting your body from the inside. 4. Your bones will be stronger. As we age, our bones become increasingly fragile, and these changes can result in severe pain, bone deformities, and other unpleasant conditions. However, incorporating dates into your diet can help improve this situation. Dates are a rich source of essential elements such as phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which are well known for their ability to prevent bone-related conditions, including osteoporosis. If you want to give your bones a boost, adding dates to your diet is an excellent way to do so. 5. Your blood pressure will be balanced. Excessive sodium or salt consumption with meals often leads to high blood pressure. However, dates are a unique food because they contain very little sodium but are packed with potassium. Potassium promotes sodium excretion and is excellent at regulating blood pressure. If you're dealing with high blood pressure and are looking for a natural solution, consider incorporating dates into your diet. 6. Your vision will improve. Almost everyone struggles with maintaining perfect vision, especially with the constant use of computer and phone screens. However, there are some natural and healthy products that can assist with eye health, and dates are one of them. This fruit is a rich source of vitamin A, which provides essential nutrients for your eyes and strengthens your vision. Whether your eye health is a significant concern or a minor issue, incorporating dates into your diet can certainly improve your current situation. 7. Your metabolism will increase. Dates are a great source of various vitamins and minerals, including the full complex of B vitamins, vitamin K, riboflavin, niacin, and many other nutrients. These components can be highly beneficial for increasing your body's metabolic rate, resulting in burning more calories. The natural approach of consuming dates eliminates the worry of regaining the lost weight. Incorporating dates into your diet helps maintain balance and achieve a healthy weight. However, combining dates with unhealthy meals will not yield the desired results. For optimal outcomes, it's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle while consuming dates. 8. You'll have a stronger immune system. Dates contain not only beneficial vitamins and nutrients, but they are also a rich source of antioxidants that protect your cells from free radicals, preventing many diseases and harmful reactions in your body. The superhero team of antioxidants in dates includes 3 essential components: flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid. Flavonoids are vital in reducing inflammation, and a study conducted by Suez Canal University in Egypt showed that they also help prevent cancer and diabetes. Carotenoids focus on maintaining your heart's health, while phenolic acid is effective in reducing your risk of cancer. In summary, dates offer comprehensive protection for your body. 9. Your brain will work better. To enhance our brain power, particularly in the morning after hours of rest, most of us would love a little boost. Adding dates to our daily diet may be surprising, but it can actually make a difference. Dates are rich in powerful antioxidants that can greatly enhance brain function. According to a study on animals conducted by Australian scientists, consuming dates enhances memory and learning abilities. Just consuming 2 dates in the morning can help start our day and give our brain the fuel it needs. 10. Your skin will look amazing. Achieving flawless skin is a common desire, but it's not always easy. Many factors affect the condition of our skin, and diet is one of the most influential. Fortunately, dates can be a helpful addition to your diet, thanks to their abundance of vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C, for example, can improve skin elasticity, while vitamin D can promote smoother skin. Additionally, dates can prevent the buildup of melanin in the body, which can reduce signs of aging and help with oily skin. Regular consumption of dates can make your skin look fresh, clear, and beautiful. However, it's important to follow some simple rules when adding dates to your diet. Dates are high in sugar and calories, so moderation is key. Eating 2 dates a day is sufficient to reap the health benefits. There are also many ways to incorporate dates into your meals, such as using them as an appetizer or snack. To enhance the effects of dates, incorporate other fruits like apples, bananas, and pears into your diet. While dates can help, it's also essential to avoid stress triggers, maintain a healthy diet, and exercise regularly for optimal results. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.